Now there are some examples. Find all fixed point for x dot will be equals to x square minus 1 and classify their stability by geometrical approach. Here equation is x dot will be equals to x square minus 1. This implies fx will be equals to x square minus 1. For fixed point fx is equals to 0, or we say x dot will be equals to 0. It means there is no flow on the fixed point. Gives the equation x square minus 1 is equals to 0. This gives the values of x will be equals to plus minus 1. These plus minus 1 is a fixed point, where here we have two fixed point or a critical point, plus 1 and minus 1. Now we find the stability or the nature of the fixed point plus 1 and what is the nature of the fixed point minus 1. So for finding the nature of the fixed point or stability or instability of a fixed point, we plot the graph. We consider x is a position of the particle, x is a position of the imaginary particle which moving along a real line, and x dot is a velocity of the particle, and x dot will be equals to x square minus 1 represent the vector field. So we plot x square minus 1 is the equation which doesn't passes through origin because it contains the term and it is symmetrical about y-axis, x square minus 1. We plot x square minus 1 and then sketch the vector field. It has two fixed point plus 1 and minus 1. First we draw the fixed point plus 1 and minus 1, and it is symmetrical because it has even power of x, therefore it is symmetrical about y-axis, and this type of curve we get for x square minus 1. We know that for x square minus 1 fx is positive, तो यहाँ पर fx की वैल्यू होंगी पॉजिटिव एंड fx is negative. It means velocity is here, the velocity above the x-axis velocity is positive and below the x-axis the velocity is negative. So here the velocity is negative and above the x-axis velocity is positive. Now where the velocity is positive, arrows go on right hand side. Here the velocity is positive, therefore arrows goes on right hand side. The velocity is negative, in that part the arrows goes on left hand side. The velocity is negative, arrows go on left hand side. In that part the velocity is positive, arrows is on right hand side. Now see the flow of the vector field. Here in that point where x is equals to 1, one arrow is on right hand side and another arrow is on left hand side. It means the flow is away from the fixed point. It means we get a blank circle which shows that it is a repeller. These two arrows shows that this point is repeller. It means it is unstable fixed point. And from this x is equals to minus 1, we see that first arrow goes towards the fixed point and another arrow is also goes towards the fixed point. It means this point attracts the flow of the fluid. It means this is the stable fixed point, or we say attractor, or we say it is a fixed point. So by geometrical approach we find that the x is equals to 1 is unstable fixed point and x is equals to minus 1 is stable fixed point. Now we see the another example. X dot will be equals to x minus 1. For finding the fixed point, first to substitute fx will be equals to 0. We get x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 1. There are two fixed points, one is 0 and another one is 1. There are two fixed points, our x asterisk will be equals to 0 and x asterisk will be equals to 1. To find the stability of these two fixed points, we plot the graph of x square minus x. This equation is x square minus x, and find the vector field and flow of the fluid or imaginary particle on the in a given phase portrait, for which t is here, t is time, x is position of the particle, x dot is velocity of the particle. And for plotting this, here are two fixed points, x is equals to 0 take a axis x and x dot x-axis, x-axis and x dot, and equation is x square minus 1, x square minus x. So it crosses is that way. X square minus x, even power of x, symmetrical about y-axis, and passes through this way. The curve is plot x square minus x is of that type. Now x is equals to 0 is one fixed point and x is equals to 1 is another fixed point, and on that part the velocity is positive, and below the x-axis the velocity is negative. Again draw the flow of the fluid. Where when the velocity is positive, here the velocity is positive, therefore arrow moves right hand side. Here the velocity, this motion, here the velocity is negative, arrows moves on left hand side. Again there is a velocity which is negative, arrows moves on left hand side. Now from these three arrows we get the stability or the nature of the fixed point. Check x is equals to 0 here where the blank circle is written. One arrow is on left hand side, another arrow is on right hand side. It means the flow is go away from the fixed point. So this is the repeller and called a unstable fixed point. Now another fixed point x is equals to 1. We see that the one arrow is on left hand side, another arrow is on right hand side, and we see that the flow is towards the fixed point. It means that this particular point is attractor and it shows the stability of this fixed point. It is called the stable fixed point or a C. From this we get the required qualitatively behavior of the given linear equation x dot linear non-linear equation x dot will be equals to x square minus x. This equation is non-linear equation. These are the question. Solve करने हैं इनको. Now some more example we have take here. Next example is sketch the phase portrait corresponding to the equation x dot is equals to x minus cos x, x minus it is a cos x, and determine their stability. For plotting this we take the equation doesn't x minus cos x doesn't give the exact figure of the given exact. It is not a parabola, it is cos x with mx. So some are the complications for finding the figure. So we take simple thing by using some substitution. First to find the fixed point is x minus cos x is equals to 0. It means x is equals to cos x, x is equals to cos x is equals is our fixed point. Now for plotting the figure, we take x is equals to y or y equals to x. We get the equation of the line y equals to x. Now when y equals to x substituted, then y equals to cos x, another equation. It means there are two equation of line. First is y equals to x, another is the cos x. Now plot the figure. We plot these two lines on a phase space, plot the graph of these two equations on the same axis, and then observe that they intersect only one point. They intersect only one point. This is not a figure, this is not a figure, this is not a figure. This is the exact figure for that region. Y equals to x is a line. This is the line. Y equals to x is a line. And this cos x, y equals to cos x is another graph of that. These two curves intersect at only one point, which is this point. Y equals to x and y cos x intersect at only one point. Now we study, this is the critical point. It is a fixed point. The point of intersection gives the fixed point of the given system. X dot will be equals to x minus cos x. Next, we plot a vector field here. We plot a flow of the fluid. On that fixed point, we see that when it is approaches or repel, we see this line y equals to x. When y equals to x lies above the cos x, it means here x dot is positive. If y equals to x below the line curve cos x, it means x dot is negative here. When y is equals to here, it is positive, and here it is negative. From this, we see that what we see, when line lies above the cosine curve, that is x is greater than cos x, then x dot is positive, and in this case flow is positive. The line is above, then flow is positive. The line is below, the flow is negative. When the line below the cosine curve, that is x is less than cosine, then x dot is negative, and then flow is to the left. So we see that when line is positive, flow is right hand side. When line is negative, the flow is left hand side. And we see that both the arrow repelled from the fixed point, it means the given fixed point is unstable fixed point, and x asterisk is unstable fixed point. Similarly, to plot the graph, x dot will be equals to e to the power x minus cos x. Now some more examples are there. Next example is x dot is equals to x plus x cube. X dot will be equals to x plus x cube. First, to find the fixed point, for fixed point put x plus x cube is equals to 0. This give x is equals to 0 is only fixed point, because from this equation we have a real fixed point is x is equals to 0, another is x is equals to plus minus I. तो here we consider अभी real के बारे में ही बात करते हैं, तो x asterisk is equals to 0 is only a fixed point. Now x is positive. When x is positive, then x dot is positive. Here when x is positive, x is greater than 0, तो x dot भी क्या हो जाएगा, 0 पॉजिटिव होगा. If x is negative, तो both the term goes to 0, -1 तो क्या हो जाएगा, नेगेटिव वैल्यू आ जाएगी और x dot is negative. Now plot the figure. What is the nature of x is equals to 0? The curve is this like, and x is equals to 0, positive right hand side arrow, negative left hand side arrow. Positive, here velocity is positive, arrow is right hand side, here the velocity is negative, arrow is left hand side, and we see that both are repelled to each other. It means this given point is unstable fixed point. Unstable fixed point. That's it for the example today's class.